My secret has been exposed. Hey cheap bitches, I'm Rob and this is On the Cheap Tip, and for today's Thursday DIY, I decided to do another Does this really work? Well, does it? Now, many people struggle with the issue of hair loss, and it can be caused by many different things. Male or female pattern baldness. It could be from age, where your scalp is just not getting enough blood circulation. It can be from stress, where you lose patches of your hair. And it can also be from over-processing your hair, like mine. If you've been with me a while, you may have noticed that my hair has gone through a couple different hair colors over the years. And with this processing, my hair has gotten thinner, brittle, and just doesn't grow as fast as it used to. What the hell's going on? Now, a few videos ago, you may have remembered that I used the Dermaroller on my face to help get rid of fine lines and wrinkles and scars. However, I did not realize that you could actually use it on your scalp to strengthen and regrow your hair. What? It actually makes sense because when you use the Dermaroller on your head, it is puncturing tiny holes in your skin and your scalp, which helps to stimulate blood circulation to that area to help repair any of the damaged skin. Well, this extra blood circulation also helps to strengthen the roots of your hair to help them grow thicker, faster, and just stronger in the end. And that's what we want, because my hair was breaking, like literally breaking off at one point. And I've been using this for a few months now, and my hair has seen vast improvements. I mean, it is so much thicker than it's ever been. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. If you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is get a Dermaroller. Duh. You can find these online. They're on Amazon. I actually bought mine on a little site called Wish. No sponsor. And I actually got the 1.5 millimeter. It is a little bit of a longer needle because, you know, it's kind of past your hair to get to your scalp. So I figured the longer needle would be better. I don't know. In my brain, that made sense. Now, before you start your treatment, you want to make sure that you disinfect your Dermaroller because you don't know where that thing has been. Clean it well with some alcohol. And on that note, you want to make sure that you clean it before every use because I don't want you getting no staph infections. It even comes with a little cover, so I just put the cover on, I put the alcohol, and I just let it sit for a little bit. And then you want to make sure that it dries completely before you put it on your scalp, because if you start poking holes in your head with alcohol, that would burn. Just saying. So make sure it's completely dry. I like to start with a clean, wet scalp. So I get in the shower, I wash my hair, and make sure that my hair is nice and wet. The reason that you want to use wet hair instead of dry hair is because you want to lessen the chances of the Dermaroller getting caught in your hair. When it's wet, it just glides through a little bit easier. That's what I think. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So once my hair is clean and wet, I run a comb from front to back, and then I just take my Dermaroller and run it from front to back on my scalp. And I make sure I get every area on my head. Now, to get the best results from the Dermaroller, you always want to change directions. Then again, what I do is I comb my hair from side to side and then run the Dermaroller from side to side. And then lastly, you want to take it diagonally. So then I comb my hair diagonally and I run the Dermaroller diagonally across my head. It seems so complicated, but it's really not that complicated. Then you just dry your hair and do it as normal, like nothing ever happened. Now, I recommend doing this at least 2 to 3 times a week. You do want to give yourself a few days in between treatments just so you don't like rub your head raw. That would hurt. I've been doing this for over a month now, and it has been working so great for me. My hair feels so much thicker. It's not brittle anymore, but that's also because I'm not dyeing my hair anymore. And you can see when I part my hair, there is so much more regrowth. That is hair that wasn't there before, so I think it works. It is recommended that you do not use your Dermaroller more than 20 times because it gets old and you don't want to get any infections in your head. Be safe, kids. And for those of you who use minoxidil to regrow your hair, you can still use this treatment as well. You just want to wait an extended period of time, a couple hours at least, after using the Dermaroller to place your minoxidil on your scalp because you don't want it to get irritated. And that's my whole tip. I hope that it helped. And if it did, make sure that you comment down below and let me know. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. done. That more I did the weekend. There also are I don't know what I just said. It makes me want to pull my hair out. I don't know what I'm saying.